All right. You have had time to work on the thing. Now that you have finished working on the thing, you should be able to look at that and tell me, yeah, I'm good. Now, notice that on 3 of them, they got their inequality written backwards. If you instead have s is less than -2, p is greater than 2, and k is less than -1. Okay, that'd be more appropriate. And we made a kind of a big deal about that last week, where we said, no, we're just going to put our variables on the left because that's how it ends up. Remember, when you turn all this stuff in, I go through those packets, when I finally go through all the packets, if all I see is the answer, I don't know that there's anyone in here who can do the entire problem start to finish mental math. I think there's a few of you that are close on the first one, but 8, 9, and 10, if you don't got work shown, I know that you're BSing it. Okay? Now, are there any of those 4 that went wonky on us and we need to go through? Which one? 10. Okay, 10. So let's looky. Really? Okay. So first up, we always put our Paxson line on there so that we don't forget which side be which. Then, I'm going to disturb it. Be careful what you're distributing. That's 5 by 4y is 20y. 5 by positive 6 is plus 30. Already? Okay. Oh. Oof. Yeah, that's a problem. Yeah. I'm terrified to see what my third hour is like. They're going to be all sorts of wonky. Okay. That crew's like hurting I don't know. It's like a hamster cage full of ferrets on meth or something. So, after I distribute, on the left side and on the right side, I need to make sure, am I able to combine anything? Okay, what? Okay, they're the same kind of critter on the right side, so they're just going to team up. I got 20y plus 30 greater than or equal to 8y. 12 minus 18. You got $12. You want to buy lunch, but the whole works is 18, so you got to borrow $6. Okay. Or maybe you're saying, I got lunch today, and then you open up your wallet and you're like, okay, I don't have lunch today. Okay. Them's teacher problems right there. Now we need to, what we had said before is just move something. But what we started doing with this section was we want to move our variables first because we want our variables on the left when we're done anyway. So I'm going to start there. You notice every step along the way, I'm still doing all my old stuff. I'm saying 8y minus 8y is 0. I'm showing that this is 12y plus 30 greater than or equal to -6. I play the Who's Lonely game. -6 all by himself over there. So I'm going to bring him a date. Subtract 30 from both sides. Show that 30 minus 30 is 0. 12y greater than or equal to a negative 36. When I divide, I ask you, do I have to flip the inequality? Oops. Yay or nay? But that's a negative 36.
We're not dividing by.
I'm not dividing by a negative. I didn't put a negative number under it, so I don't have to flip it. I'm just going to get y is greater than or equal to negative 3, and your graph will just look like a closed circle at negative 3 to the right, to the right. Okay? Any of those other four that went weird on us? Or are those so far going okay? All right. Downstairs. Y'all live in the generation of the entire world at your fingertips. If I don't remember what perimeter means, Google it. What is perimeter? Outside. Think of like a guard walking the perimeter, right? Everything outside around the figure. You add them all up. Now, they wrote theirs as 2 of these plus 3. You could just say t plus 6 plus t plus 6 plus 3. That works. Okay. The reason that they have the 2 times the thing is they're showing you that's what isosceles means. It's an old geometry term from back in middle school. Isosceles means 2 of the sides on the triangle are the same. Okay, write the inequality, solve and graph. 12 might have been tough to write the inequality by ourselves, but thankfully they already wrote it for us. Distribute, variables left, divide, good to go. Okay. I do want to talk about that very, very, very last one. Okay. How can you check your answers? So if you get something like b is greater than 11.25, I have faith in you. Can you name a number greater than 11.25? Dude! 12. Okay. I would just shove 12 in for b in the original inequality, and I should get some statement that's true. So that's 12, 8, 72, 12, 84. I'd get 84 greater than 72. Okay, if I plug a 12 in there, I get this. Is that true? Is 84 greater than 72? So I've shown that 12 is a solution. And I can go back all the way up to that 11.25. I can say 11.26. And the answer you get will be true. Okay. Now the problem with it is it's a whole range, right? The arrow goes that way forever. So you could pick anything in that direction and it's going to make it true. You could pick 12, you could pick 12 million. It's still going to be right. Okay? Show me thumbs. How you feel about it? It's more of the, I got this. I'm a little sketchy once you start throwing fractions and parentheses in there. Bro, I'm lost. Okay? It's all those parentheses and fractions, right? Okay, as soon as you start messing with negatives and parentheses and fractions, it gets weird. So, I'm not going to do a daily check right immediately after this. I just want more practice. So the video for this is going to be all of these few minutes, and that's it, because we are now headed over here. I do want you to try the ones at the bottom. I know those are going to be tough. Remember what we said. Find the word is. That's going to be attached to your inequality. But up top, there's 12 problems there. And I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Don't do that. Solve it. No.
We're D12.
Bad.
Where's D12? Besides relegated to the early 2000s vaults of one-hit wonders.
So seriously.
Actually, detail wasn't too bad. I take a couple uppers. Yeah.
Don't do that. Well, solve more
I
buddies.
take a couple downers.
Do that. I'm not gonna be
Nothing
your buddy
compares
no more.
to
I'm
these
gonna go
blue
back to
and
my
yellow
old thing.
purple pills. 2, Jasper. You tell me which one I have to do.
Oh, it's this
Throw
one.
the gauntlet. Well, there's 11 of us and there's 12 problems. So naturally, Sullivan has to do one. Which one do I have to do? 11? Okay. 11. What crazy why is it greater than 0? Oh, riddle me this then, Batman. What kind of numbers are bigger than 0? A lot of them, but not the negative ones. Which ones are greater than 0? Might you sometimes want to set up an inequality where I don't care, I just want the answer to be positive? Maybe you're talking about your bank account. Okay.
We don't talk about that.
Maybe I'm just setting up my finances. Like, y'all, I'm a teacher and they pay us some peanuts and insults. I am the only income for a family of 4. If it wasn't for generational wealth and selling off a lot of our crap, I would have been buried so many times. Okay. Luckily, we have family who've just kind of bailed us out because my wife has to stay home with my youngest. I just got the best news this weekend. I finally got both of our vehicles paid off. I've been paying off a little bit extra every month, and all of that goes towards the principal. If you pay over on the amount, that means that our vehicles are done 7 months early. Okay? Just by paying over by about $40 every month for 5.5 years. But that's an extra $600 a month. Maybe I just want my money to be positive, so I'm not hemorrhaging money. Okay? First thing I'll do. Oh, here's the very, very first thing I'm going to do. I'm going to make sure that we know that's not 100 or it's not 11.9n. How many of you have made that mistake before? See the number next to the problem and you think that it's part of the problem. Okay. Always draw your Paxton line. It really helps us. I look on the left side. Everywhere I run into a plus or a minus, it's a new term. Before I go trying to move stuff, I should always see if I can put any of them together. So, okay. You have 9. I don't know. What's something that starts with N? That's decent. Nuggets. There we go. I got 9 nuggets. Someone's like, sounds like a personal condition. No. I got 9 nuggets, and I need to give 24 out to feed these kids. How many more do I need?
15.
Okay. You can always put those together like this and say negative 15n plus 45 is greater than 0. You still play the Who's Lonely game. What's by itself right now? 0 is a number, so bring it another number. 45 can go hang out with the other zeros. And get negative 15n. You have 0, you take away 45. Politically speaking, you might be better off, but negative 45. And then that 15 is all hugged up on n. Getting gross at the homecoming dance. So you need to divide them apart. Say negative over negative. I've been supervising the homecoming dance for 8 years. It's disgusting. Okay, we're going to get n.
I'm just saying,
I think homecoming's the worst one because there's not like a dress code of any kind.
also freshman.
And freshman.
I was traumatized.
Wait,
my
is
sophomore year.
is Snowball only upper class?
No,
Yeah. Snowball is everyone but freshmen, I think.
no, freshmen can go to Snowball. It's just prom is the only one that's upperclassmen.
Okay.
I've like never seen.
Well, usually they call it the junior prom because juniors and seniors get to go. Junior class hosts it. The seniors are the guests, so they get to go free. And then if any junior or senior wants to invite a freshman or sophomore, they can.
But why? Why would you get to do?
Some people are desperate for affection. What is 45 divided by 15? And negative over negative is positive. Be careful. Look what I did. I divided by a negative, so I had to flip that inequality. Okay? Whoa!
Apparently,
Oh, I bumped the thing. Okay.
apparently Frank wanted to show us the immaculate horror science.
I mean, it's cool and stuff. So, just to make sure that everyone is actually working right now. I'm just going to go around the room, starting with...
Hi.
Hi, Leslie.
Hey, Matt.
Which one you want?
Oh, me? Okay.
Yeah, you're starting us off, and then I'll just go around the room.
Okay, one.
Okay, so this one's already gone. Okay, so do it.
9.
Okay.
Are we doing drafted or voluntary?
Well, since everyone has finally figured out, oh wait, I'm gonna have to do this no matter what, now everyone just throws their hands up. So now I'm just gonna go around the room and we're drafting. Okay, 8. So,
So what happened?
Yep.
What happened to be nice?
3.
What happened to the whole? Let's be nice to people today.
Fresh meat.
I think I'll just go with 7.
7? Okay. And was there a D in there?
Put BC.
BC? Okay. Well, it was Bridger with D or without D?
Bridger. Yeah, that's ID.
Okay. I spell everyone's names wrong. Like my ability to spell flatline in 2nd grade. Tom? Okay. Steven?
I mean, honestly, so at least you're able to.
Kenny? 5? 12? Okay. And Leighton. Wait, did I do Leighton? You were in the bathroom. That's okay. You didn't see this one. Ha ha!
Oh my god, that's evil.
You were in the bathroom, so you missed that one. Perfect. Okay. Go. To the boards, do the thing, and then this is due the next time I see you, and I'm not sure when that'll be.
I'm not sure.
I genuinely believe it'll be Friday.
I do too.
Okay, so everyone's to the boards, you're doing this.
I'm really hoping that it is Friday.
You should have 2-6 in the packet, and 2-6B, this thing, done by Friday, when I probably see you. If not, by Wednesday.